Alright guys, we got this beautiful AZDOME dashboard camera. So here's how it comes out of the box. Beautiful dashboard cam. You can see it has a nice display and then 3 cameras connected here, and it swivels as well. And then we have the front one. It has all the controls here, the display. Let's see what else. We have here a rear camera. You can turn it different angles here. Now the cables and parts for installation on the USB cable, some extensions, cigarette lighter adapter, and the user manual. Okay guys, so I'm gonna install it now. So first we're gonna remove this sticker here from this very stick surface, and then we're gonna attach to our windshield. Add some power source. You're gonna connect it to our cigarette lighter adapter. Just gonna connect it here, the USB port, and then we're gonna bring the cable along. So they come with this little cable clippers here and this tool as well. So now we're gonna install the back camera. Just gonna peel this off and stick it here to the back window. And then all we gotta do is just connect these 2 cables here. There you go. You're all set. You can adjust the camera as well. Okay, so now we are all set. Every cable tucked away. Now we just gotta adjust the camera. We're gonna go for a ride. I'm gonna plug it in. You can see I already have power. Now we just have to do the configuration and then we are all set. Alright guys, so and to connect, now that we have the camera installed, now we're gonna connect to the app. We're just gonna hit it, the AZDOME option, then it's gonna connect to our Wi-Fi. Then after I click here, it's gonna connect. So it's showing that the dash cam is connected through Wi-Fi. So we're just gonna click it, then it's gonna load it, and there you go. Then you have access to all the cameras, the 4 cameras here. There's the front one, the back, the left and the right one. You can also switch, for instance. Then you can have like a bigger camera here in the front, or for instance the rear camera, the left and the right one. And then the right camera, or you can go back to all 4 cameras. So the app has a full control. You can record audio and also can change the resolution. And one of the things that is really cool about this one of the really cool features is that you can access to your album, with the app as well. So right here you have access to your album here on the app. So for instance, let's take a video here. So you have your album here, and you have like a lot of options. You have like all 4 cameras. So for instance, this one is the back view camera, and then you have the option like right here to download it. That's pretty awesome. So that's gonna be downloaded directly to your phone. So you're gonna have easy access. That's pretty awesome. And also you have the option of taking the dashboard camera to your computer as well. So you can just take the unit and then plug via USB cable to your computer. That way you can download the files. Alright guys, so the AZDOME dashboard cam, it's really incredible. At a really affordable price, you get great quality. You have 4 different cameras. There is like one here on the front, 2 on the sides. They are fully adjustable and you can remove them as needed, but they are very important to have something like this. Like in a case of an accident, you can use the video footage as an evidence and it can save your case. You can show to the police and to your lawyers as well. For your insurance company, it's going to be really important. So this one has a 128GB memory card built inside the dashboard, so which is going to be much faster to have access to the footage than regular traditional SD cards. Also, it has a 5G Wi-Fi network that you can connect to your phone, and it's going to be much faster. Also, it's going to transmit it in a faster rate and also keeping the quality as well. So overall, this is a great product, guys. You won't see anything like this in the market right now at this price and with this quality as well. So just try this AZDOME dashcam for yourself and you won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.